Hi guys, how's it going? In this video, we are going to see how we can add Google Maps without having a Google API key. Google, for some time now, has required that to be able to add maps. We have to create an API key. The problem is that when you create the API, if your page has many visits, you can incur expenses you can't even imagine. And also so that everything works for you within Google. You have to enter your payment details. You might be in for a surprise. What's happening? If you don't have the Google API key, this is what will happen next. That instead of the map appearing cleanly, you will find, as you can actually see on this screen, they only just let you use it for programming purposes, testing. But the page gets cluttered with this message on the map, and really, obviously, this cannot be put on a production page. So to fix this, we would have to do two things. Either add the API key or add a map to enter the API key for us. In my case, I have used the Espectra plugin. Espectra is a plugin from the people of the Astra template, which in its free version allows you to do so. And it's great because you don't have to enter the API key and you can completely forget about it. Simply, you click Add Plugin. Among the plugins, you search for Espectra, install it, and activate it. Once you have done it, don't worry if you see the map incorrectly here. I have only added this through the plugin, Advanced Custom Fields, so that see what happens if we don't add the API key. Actually, we are not going to use this. It was just for you to see. How are we going to use it? So here I simply put map or any name I want, we give it. Furthermore, here we are going to add, you see it says Google Maps. If I open it completely, you can see that we have a few Espectra blocks. And among all these blocks is the map one, which when added on the right, it will ask us to enter the address. For example, I will simply put Zamora, and you can see that the map appears. If I publish, the map disappears. To see perfectly and without the message. So annoying that it states you can only use it for programming purposes. I hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe if you like these tips.